An ASOS heat pump should be serviced annually in line with the installation and servicing instructions provided with the heat pump.
Also, if you are in receipt of the government's RHI, Renewable Heat Incentive payments, this is also a requirement. Service not only includes checking the general condition of the ASOS heat pump, flexible hoses and pipe insulation, the service engineer should also ensure that the evaporator fins are kept clear from any obstructions that could affect the airflow across the unit. Also, as part of the service, your service engineer will make checks including system pressure and ensure that heating controls are operating effectively. Heat pumps installed within 2 miles of the sea need protection against corrosion caused by the marine atmosphere. The evaporators on ASOS heat pumps installed in coastal areas can be treated with ACF 50 after installation. Alternatively, the Grant Arona 3 heat pump is available pre-treated with Blygold corrosion protection for the fins and evaporator tubes.
The evaporators on a heat pump need regular cleaning and washing, especially those installed near the coast.
Evaporators previously coated with ACF 50 will require recoating after cleaning and washing. However, Blygold coated units do not require the same reapplication. The heat pump can be serviced by the original installer or a suitably qualified independent service engineer. Alternatively, Grant UK's service plan team can arrange for an in-house engineer to service the appliance for you.